Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rocker panels from the Volvo 850s. It's a different process from the 92 through 95 than the 96 and the 97. So the first part of the video will show you the 92 through 95. The second part of the video will show you the latter vehicles. Now, you basically need 4 tools to get this job done. The front of the rocker panel is riveted to the mud flap, so you will need a tool that can take care of that. You need the trim clip puller or small pry bar. You need a small screwdriver. You need a side cutters, and then you need a rivet gun to get this stuff back together. Now you also need 2 or 3 rivets for each side, and you need molding tape for the cars that have the threshold taped to the rocker panels on the top side. So let's get started. Try to take this rocker panel off. It looks like it has clips up and down the seam of it after you pull the trim out. So I'm going to pull all those out, then I'm going to do the same under it and see if that rocker panel will come off. Looking at a few cars, Volvo did a few different things with these rocker panels, so I don't even know if I can properly instruct you on how to get these rocker panels off and on, but on mine, I had pins that I was able to take out of them. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the bottom. And a couple of rivets in the front. Nothing in the back. The back just kind of clipped in there. So let me set this in place. To prevent and avoid rust, it would be a good idea to treat this stuff. Like here, I got some raw paint, and I have a little rust at these holes. The best thing to do would be to treat that. So I'm going to put this on for now, come back maybe in a few months, pull this back off, get new clips for it, treat it, and put it back on. Here are the clips that came out of mine. Other ones had these push pin clips in it, so I'm going to go ahead and put these back in it and probably get some more for my next round. Yeah, these things are super simple. I pried them out with a small tip screwdriver on both sides, pried the tips up, and then pulled them out. And going back in, as you can see, they kind of collapse where you could push them in the holes, get them in the position you need them in, and then just push the pins back down, and it's secure. Now this is an R series, so there's a piece of metal R trim that says 850 that goes there that I have to glue back on with molding tape or molding glue. Alright, I have the rocker panel in place. I need to go ahead and find the trim pieces and glue them back in, and there you have it. And it has a special clip up there to clip the mud flap against the rocker panel. These rocker panel side skirts are installed with 7 pins along the bottom, and they're clipped in the top side. The best way to get these pins out is to put a screwdriver in here behind the lip of the metal. Work the screwdriver in there behind it and find the tip of the pin. Start poking it out, and you see the tip of that coming out there. Grab that tip with a pair of pliers or something, and as you start to pull that out, the whole clip will come out, and then you can probably reuse them. So that's how I'm doing those from now on, and I can reuse these. Then I could just push it in there and then push this in the center, which expands it. So I got 7 to remove. The first one's hard, second one's easy because you have a little slot there. Third one's a little hard, fourth one's hard, but you get it in there. Just work on it. Top sides of these are often clipped in. You could pull this gasket out of the way so that you could get at it better. and get under it and pry up, and the clips will snap loose. And then you just hook it down and pull it out. I might have a rivet in the front side. And it does. It has 2 right there, so cut those rivets as well. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.